Best COVID-19 at-home test kits. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Letsgetchecked test. It's a famous kit with a non-invasive swab. It will provide the result within 24 to 72 hours. Its price is affordable and you can detect active infection. You can do this test at home and you need screening at first. My Lab Box Test Kit. This test is most effective and needs saliva to perform the test at home. It will provide the results within 3 to 4 days and you'll have a complete medical assessment of your condition. You don't need to wait anymore. Buy the COVID-19 home kits to have a better assessment. COVID Instant Test. When you feel any discomfort, you can buy this kit to perform your random COVID test. The equipment is affordable and you need a blood sample to perform the test. It will provide a result within a few minutes, and you'll get the complete picture at home. Vitagene Test Kit. It's non-invasive type and provide clear and immediate results. You have to collect the sample and the result will be there within 72 hours. The perfect and authentic way to provide accurate measurements and cope with relative information can help you fulfill your needs. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.